My god, just finished shoveling snow. It took me close to 3 hours. Today it's a sunny day. What a day, wow. Yeah, it's cold outside, but it's really looks good. A very calm day. So they officially announced that we are going to have in Montreal, well, in the southern part of Quebec, a huge winter storm after a very long time. So the day before, it's pretty calm before the storm. So yeah, tomorrow is a big day. It's the biggest snowfall of the season. Winter storm. It's been a while we haven't got a significant snowfall. Pretty much this season was filled with smaller snowfalls, and it wasn't as big as we used to get before. By this time, Environment Canada has issued a warning, a snowfall warning, and they're pretty much saying that's from in between 25 to 40 centimeters of snow. So this is typically the snowfalls that we used to get a couple of years ago, and yeah, this is going to be huge. Those who love snow, of course, like me, we enjoy snow. And it's going to be fun to watch. It's beautiful. It's a beauty of nature. But at the same time, those who hate, those who don't necessarily enjoy this, I know it's going to be hard. A lot of people have issues in traveling for their job, going around outside. Yes, it's hard. You understand that. But snow. You should appreciate that experience. It happens, 4 months in a year? Let's appreciate that. Let's love that. I love snow. I love it a lot. post the massive snowstorm that we got yesterday, and today it looks really calm. It's a sunny day, as you can see. The sky's really bright. Well, the streets and the parking lots are pretty much filled of snow. It's a 30 centimeter of snow, so it's very much hard to remove it, and the city hasn't cleaned up yet, so it's a very difficult today to circulate around the city. But yeah, well, you know what, we're getting another massive snowstorm next Sunday. It's another 30 centimeter. Yeah.